How to create a playlist on TikTok. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up TikTok on a device. Now go to your profile at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the favorite icon. Now tap on collections. Now tap on create new collection. Now type the name and tap on next. Now to add videos to collection, simply go back. Now go to the videos you want to add to collections. Now tap on the video. Now add the video to favorites. Now tap on manage. Now select your collection. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.